What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Tiffany. For those who don't know me, I upload travel, style, and beauty videos here on YouTube. And as you can tell from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a pack with me for Morocco. And guys, I am so excited about this trip. I've literally, we've had this plan for maybe about 6 months now, so it's been a long time coming, kind of. But yeah, I'm really excited to go to Morocco. I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. And we actually also have a stopover in Paris, so we're going to be spending a day in Paris. We have about 10 days in Morocco and then a day in Paris. So yeah, I'm gonna do this pack with me a little differently than I've done them in the past. I'm gonna start off with a haul because you know your girl, I always shop before a trip. I'm that person that has to have new outfits when they go out of town. So I got some new pieces. I'm gonna share those with you first, and then we'll jump into like the actual packing. I'll show you like the toiletries and the makeup and the other clothes that I'm bringing, all that stuff. So yeah, that's today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and jump into the haul. All right, so here's everything that I bought for this trip. I got mostly things from Boohoo, Fashion Nova, and then also a couple of pieces from Target. First up, I got this really adorable two-piece like eyelet set from Boohoo. I absolutely love this. It actually comes in white as well, and I debated getting it in black or getting it in white, but I'm more of like a black girl. Next, I have, oh, dropped a piece. All right. So I'm not sure which color I want to wear these pants with, but I have these black and white bandeaux. I'll show you the white one in a moment. But these came from Fashion Nova, and so did these pants. And they're just these wide leg, like satiny pants. They give me Morocco vibes. And yeah, so I have these. And then next I have this two-piece brown set from Fashion Nova. Here's the white bandeau that I mentioned here. So yeah, I'm not sure if I want to wear the white bandeau with these pants or wear the black one, but I'm bringing both for the trip, so, you know, whatever. And then the brown pantsuit, which is super cute. It has like this like short sleeve shirt and then long, kind of, they're not wide leg, but kind of wide leg pants. And they're this like kind of crinkly material. Then I also grabbed this yellow maxi dress. This is also from Fashion Nova. It came in a bunch of colors. Came in black, I think came in a sage green, and like one other color. But I went with the yellow because we're going to the Jardin Majorelle, which is like that famous blue building if you've ever seen kind of like pictures of Marrakesh. And then we're also going to Chefchaouen, which is like this blue city. And everybody wears yellow there to like make it pop. So I got this for one of those places. I'm not sure which one I want to wear it to yet, but that's what this is for. I got this set from Fashion Nova. And it's kind of like this blue, ridged, satiny type material. And the only reason I got this is because when I was shopping on Fashion Nova, it was on a flash sale for like $15 or something. And I was like, why not? Let me just get it. Let me see how it looks or whatever. And I actually really like it. It's nice on. And then if you're wondering, are these the same dress? Yes, they are. So I'm one of those people that like, if I like it, I'll just get it in another color. So I went to Target because I was looking for some last minute pieces, and I found these dresses. And they're so cute. I absolutely love these guys because they give like Africa, Morocco, like they give the vibes. They give the vibes. Next, I got this black kind of like midi dress with this fringe detail, which I love. It's so cute. Very flattering on the body. And I got this one from Boohoo. Second to last piece we have is this dress from Target. This is from the Knox Rose collection. And it's just kind of like a black, kind of hits me at the knee. I wouldn't call it a mini dress, wouldn't call it a midi dress. It hits me like a little above the knee though. And it has like a kind of like cut out detail here on the sleeve. And then last but not least, we have this maxi print dress with this like really cool like geometric print on it. I saw this on Boohoo's website and I was like, ooh, that gives Morocco, that gives Africa. So I got it, but I was a little apprehensive because I was like, that's a lot of pattern. But it looks great on. I feel like it gives the most Africa vibe out of like everything that I own and that I bought for this trip. So I think I might do some pictures in the desert with this one. That is it for the haul. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the suitcases and get ready to start packing. On to bags. I'm going to be bringing my handy dandy Samsonite backpack. This thing is gone practically everywhere with me. I love it because it just has so many compartments. There's like, you know, water, a sleeve or a pass-through for your bag, laptop sleeve. There's like even like a little snap compartment in here where you can store more things. It's just a great bag, but it is falling apart. It's seen better days for sure. So yeah, I am on the hunt for a new travel backpack, but until I find one, this is my handy dandy reliable. I am going to be bringing the big boy. This is my Monos 28-inch roller, I believe is what it's called. So yeah, I'm bringing the big boy because we are planning on doing some shopping in the souks and whatnot, and so I have to bring the big boy to store some. And the last bag that I'm bringing is this guy right here. This is a foldable duffel bag, so it just came out of the package, but it folds up really, really small, and I'm gonna put it in my checked luggage until we get to Morocco. See, real small. But I got it because we were doing, again, like I said, we're doing shopping in the markets, and so this is just for if we shop that much. But yeah, so those are the 3 bags that I'm bringing. And before you say anything, I just cleaned. As you can see behind me, I've added a couple more things to the clothing rack. This is pretty much everything that I'm going to bring with me that is here right now because, again, I'm still waiting for a couple of Amazon packages. But I'm going to go ahead and pack all of this up, and then that way, if that stuff works out, great, I can just add it in, and if it doesn't, spoiler alert, none of it works out. Cool, my bag's already packed. I do use packing cubes. I got these off of Amazon forever ago. I will leave them linked down below, as well as anything that you see on the rack that I can find. I will leave it all linked down in the description box for you if you're interested. But yeah, I got these off Amazon forever ago. Haven't got new ones yet. I think I want to try to get some like compression ones, but these are good for right now. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do this. Clothes are packed. Let's pack some shoes. God bless Amazon same day shipping because your girl is about to be up the creek. I have misplaced my other little electronics case that I carry with me that usually carries like my battery pack and my other memory cards and other batteries. I've somehow misplaced it. I think I might have left it in California when I went out there in December. But yeah, I don't have any extra memory cards except for the one that's in my camera currently. And I was like, oh, well that's not gonna do. So I had to place a last minute Amazon order. And I got some more batteries actually with a new charger because my new charger's been, or my old charger's been acting up. And then a new electronics case. Like I said, mine is in my toiletry bottles. Your girl doesn't have any of these, and I was realizing when I was like going to go tackle my toiletries that a lot of my stuff is in bigger bottles or glass bottles that are like really heavy. So I got these, and then I also got these little pot ones, which are super cute, and they match the bottles. Oh, love that. And then I also got another SD card. This one is 128 gigs. So this I have 2, so that way I can hopefully record all day on one. Take off the video as I go. I'm bringing my external hard drive, so I'll just have to make sure to unload. We're in the bathroom now. We're gonna do some toiletries. These didn't come with the labels, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna have to remember which color I put where. I'm thinking if I do like light brown, dark brown, and shampoo and conditioner, I'll remember that. So let's do that. Body wash. So then I'm also gonna try to put my lotion in one of these. I'm not sure if I should just pump this or try to pour it, but if you need me, I'll be here. Alright, so that's that. Then I'm gonna do these little guys. So I got these because this thing is huge. It's only 3.4 ounces, but the container is huge, so I'm gonna stick some of this. This is my makeup remover. It's my favorite makeup remover. So I'm just gonna stick that in there. I'm gonna do my nighttime moisturizer, which doesn't have much in it, and I'm gonna try using a floss stick for this. Will this work? I don't know. Will work. And it's working. It's working. Probably not as well as if I actually had the spatula, but it'll do. I had a travel size version of this, and I have no idea where it went. So, you know, like this isn't ideal. And I'm just packing up my toiletry bag. Yes, I double bagged the toiletries, so I have all those little bottles in there, and then also the little pods, and then I'm sticking in my serum, shaving cream, hairspray, some sunscreen, and then this is like a mini version of my like daytime moisturizer. So bringing that, and then my razor. So here's all of the makeup I'm bringing. I've got my Cover FX blush in Mojave Mauve, this Goddess palette from Alter Ego. I feel like these were good, like desert shades and neutrals. Milk Hydro Grip primer, my NARS bronzer highlighter. This is my little like thing for my beauty sponge. And then I have the One Size Beauty setting spray. I'm bringing 2 concealers because this one is like pretty much empty. So I have this one to replace it. Then I have my Charlotte Tilbury powder, brow gel, Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm debating if I'm gonna bring both of these foundations. I feel like I need to bring one or the other, but I probably will just bring the double wear and not bring this one actually. And then I have my contour stick from MAC, Rare Beauty blush, a lip liner, my color corrector for like under eyes, and then some mascara. My actual like carry-on backpack. I've got all my electronics sitting out here right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. First, I have my MacBook. I wasn't gonna bring this. I was gonna try to bring my iPad, but I was just trying to see if I could transfer photos from my SD card to my hard drive, and it was like not working. I don't want to run the risk of not being able to get footage off and like have to stop recording, so we're just gonna bring the laptop. Next, I have my GoPro situation. I am bringing the camera this time. Next, I have my electronics case. This has my external hard drive, my adapter, some of my charging cables. There's more. They're currently just charging things right now, so I have to do that. And then I also got one of my battery packs here, and then my computer charger will also go here. I just want to make sure that I have enough space for everything in here. So I'm gonna bring my little black pouch. This is from my Monos duffel bag actually, but I'm gonna use it for like my little flight essentials. So I have this little like AirFly thing that's like a Bluetooth connector for your headphones. I have a 3-in-1 wireless charger, and then the cable for that. I'll have my passport and like Tylenol, Tums, that kind of stuff. Also my headphones. I'm gonna pack this little pouch here with some other essentials. I have some face masks, wet ones, some hand lotion, Touchland hand sanitizer, Summer Fridays lip balm. And then I also found this little like sample of the Summer Fridays jet lag mask, so I'm gonna bring that as well. Got these to try out. It's this like thing called Flight Food, and it's supposed to be like a little wellness drink. It's supposed to help you fight jet lag, keep you hydrated, all this other stuff. So I'm gonna bring these to try out as well. Here's that pouch, all packed. Alright, and so actually with that, we are all packed. There's a couple little bits here and there that I need to just kind of go around, collect, and put in my suitcase, and a couple more things that go in the cases that are in here, but for the most part, we're all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in seeing the Morocco vlogs when those go up, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that way you're notified when I upload those. But until then, bye guys.